Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's officially year 3 of the best Christmas gift ideas for teen boys. And just so you know, everything on this list is completely original and I found on my own.
Also, if you want $1,000 into your Cash App, PayPal, or gift card, then try out leveluptask.com. You will be able to get $1,000 for completing a very simple questionnaire, and you can use this money to buy whatever you want after. But it's simple and will not take long at all. It's a great way to get tons of money, so you can afford presents or buy yourself stuff as well. I just did it myself, and you can see it worked. As you can see, I did it multiple times by also making my parents do it and my brother, so we each got $1,000 for signing up. So if you want to try it, just scan QR code with your phone and get started now.
1. Clothing. Let's kick it off with clothing. This year, the trends are popping, and there's a lot of variety. So whether you're into streetwear or something more casual, I've got you covered. Here are some options that'll make any teen boy's wardrobe look fresh. Realtree camo jacket, pants, shorts, and shirts. It's a huge trend this year. Raspberry Hills camo shorts for a touch of style. Denim Tears hoodie and sweats. These are comfy and trendy. Boxy tees, crop tees, and minimal flare jeans from Minimal. Don't sleep on these. Carhartt jacket and jeans for a solid, durable look. Nike Tech hoodie, sweats, and pants. You can't go wrong with these. Pro Club heavyweight tees and hoodies. Perfect for layering. Essentials hoodies and sweats. Every guy loves essentials. Gallery Depth, hoodies and sweats for that high-end streetwear vibe. Nocta Tech fleece, super cozy and stylish. Spider hoodies and sweats. These are definitely cool and casual. UGG hoodie for a unique, comfy option. Big face tees featuring Mariah the Scientist, Kobe Bryant, and Dennis Rodman. These are definitely statement pieces. Baggy jeans from Gap, JNCO, Bershka, and Zara. Relaxed vibes all around. I mean, the clothing options this year are crazy. You can't go wrong with any of these, and they're all trendy and perfect for Christmas. 2. Shoes. If you're looking to impress with some killer footwear, here's a roundup of must-have kicks for 2024. Mason Maharis. These high-end sneakers are a flex for any teen. 4. Car accessories. For any teen who's getting into driving or just wants to upgrade their ride, here's a car accessories list to consider. Car charger with Starlight LED lights for that extra flair. Car air freshener and mini trash can. Keeps things neat and fresh. Steering wheel covers, seat covers, and jumper cables. Practical and stylish. Wireless car clamp charger and car keychain. For the tech-loving teen. Car hoodies, rear-view mirrors, and Apple CarPlay setups. Useful and cool. Car accessories are the perfect way to level up any teen's driving experience. 5. Sports gear. If you're buying for a teen who's into sports, check out these cool sports-related gifts. Sports jerseys from Culture Kings and hats from Beanies. Basketball gear like a mini hoop, basketball shoes and compression sleeves. Massage guns, protein shakes, and creatine. Great for recovery and strength. Dumbbell and barbell sets for those into weight training. Gym memberships and Nike Elite bags, perfect for any sports enthusiast. These gifts will help any teen stay active and perform their best in whatever sport they're into. 6. Room decor. Make any teen's room the ultimate hangout spot with these awesome decor ideas. Clothing racks and gaming chairs for functional style. Floating shelves and organizers to keep things neat. Full-body mirrors, posters, and fake plants, perfect for adding character to a room. A mini fridge, humidifier, or oil diffusers, the ideal way to add comfort and relaxation to their space. Digital alarm clocks, room sprays, and LED lights to add a little fun. Transform their room into a cool, personalized space they'll love. 7. Hygiene and self-care. Everyone loves a good self-care gift. And this year's hygiene picks will keep any teen feeling fresh. Teeth whitening strips, mouthwash, and electric toothbrushes. The Ordinary Acne Set works wonders if you have skin issues. Body lotions, hand sanitizers, and mini hand lotions for staying smooth. Razor kits, barber kits, and essential body oils. Great for any teen who takes grooming seriously. These gifts will help them look and feel their best, whether at home or out with friends. 8. stocking stuffers, and under $20 ideas. Finally, I've got a list of cool and affordable stocking stuffers and under $20 gift ideas for the last-minute shopper. Keychains, mini vacuums, Rubik's Cubes, and snacks. Jaw-strengthening kits, phone cases, and hair growth oils. Derma rollers, pimple patches, and candy. Silicone body scrubbers and water flossers. Super trendy this year. These affordable gifts are perfect for stocking stuffers or just as little bonuses to surprise someone. That's a wrap on this year's Christmas gift list for teen boys. I hope you found the perfect gift ideas for your friends, family, or even for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who could use some last-minute gift inspiration. And of course, subscribe if you want to stay updated for more great content in the future. Also, drop a Christmas tree emoji in the comments to let me know you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.